There is one problem I have with Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, and it's their key detection ability. It simply isn't 100% accurate, and if you don't believe me, let me prove it to you. Here's a sample track. According to Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, it's analyzed to be 3A. However, according to 3 of these key analyzation websites, it appears to be actually 11A. Now I know that may not be a big difference key-wise, but a slight deviation in key detection can affect the overall harmonic mixing and direction of one set. While Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ are fantastic DJ softwares, they simply don't specialize in accurate key detection because their primary focus is more on the mixing side of DJing. And because of this, I decided to download and try Mixed in Key 10 as it claims to be the best and most accurate key analysis software out there. And from my experience using it so far, it kinda is. This software can also do more than just detect keys though. It also has the ability to cue point your tracks and detect their energy level. And all of these features can be directly integrated with your choice of DJ software, whether that's Rekordbox DJ, Serato DJ, Virtual DJ, or Traktor. Now to save you a bit of time, is Mixed in Key 10 worth the $60 price tag? Well, in my opinion, yes, for 2 reasons. Accurate key detection, which is pretty much a given, and the game-changing feature of automatically setting cue points to your tracks. So the question now is, how do you use it? Well, it's pretty easy, but before we get to it, if you guys want to download Mixed in Key 10 at a huge discount, use coupon code DJ Carlo when you check it out on their website. Anyway, let's move on. Hey, Future Carlo here. I just realized that some of you guys may not know how to mix in key, so if you want to learn the easiest way to do so, stick around to the end of this video. With your software open, simply drag your songs into this section over here, and in seconds, Mixed in Key 10 will automatically detect the key, BPM, and energy of your track. And it'll also cue point all of them as well. Alternatively, you can also load songs from the Add Files or Import from Music option over here. Now with your keys analyzed, let's move on to my favorite feature of this software, the automatic hot queuing. Now you will notice that Mixed in Key 10 has also included the automatic hot cues that were assigned to different segments of the song. To adjust the hot cue point, you can drag any of the set cues wherever you would like. Beneath the waveform are divided segments of the track which indicate the energy level of that particular moment in the song. Furthermore, we can easily organize these tracks into folders. Just click the plus button over here and title the folder accordingly. Once the folder is set, just drag any song from the collection into that specific folder. So with our songs analyzed and cue pointed, let's now move on to integrating all of this data with Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ. Let's start with Rekordbox DJ. On Mixed in Key 10, first go to the Personalize tab, then click Update Tags. On this page, check mark the Update Common tags, write key and energy level, override comments, and update custom initial key tag. Now on the sidebar, click Rename Files and select Do Not Rename Files. Under the Key Notation tab, select Camelot. Next, in the Tempo tab, set your desired range of BPM. After completing this step, ensure that Mixed in Key 10 has analyzed your library in its software. Your analyzed cue should display Done once all the tracks are analyzed. Now go open Rekordbox DJ and click Settings, then click View. Scroll until you see Key Display Format and select Alphanumeric. Next, go to Analysis on the top here, then select BPM/Grid. From here, you're all set to view the keys detected from Mixed in Key 10. Just head over to your playlist with the same tracks that were analyzed, highlight them, then right-click and select Reload tag. So now that your settings are configured, there's no need to always go through them. Just select the Reload tags option once the songs are analyzed and Mixed in Key 10, and that's it. Now in order to integrate our automatic hot cues in Rekordbox DJ, there are just a couple of more steps to configure. On Rekordbox DJ, click File on your computer's toolbar and select Export Collection in XML format. Title it as Rekordbox DJ and place it in your desired location in your computer. Then go to your preferences, select Advanced, and under Export Beat Rate Information, highlight BPM change points and ensure that the imported library is the same XML file that we just exported. Now head back to Mixed in Key 10 and go back to Personalize. Then on the export cue points option, checkmark Rekordbox DJ and click the change button. Upon clicking change, select the XML file that we just created, then click the big blue button that says export cue points for existing files. Our settings to integrate our hot cues are now configured. So we could head back to Rekordbox DJ, scroll to Rekordbox DJ XML on the left, and click the little refresh symbol over here. Then scroll down and select the MIK cue points playlist, and there, select all the songs, right-click, and press import to collection. Now, if you head over to any of the analyzed tracks, the hot cues generated from Mix in Key 10 should now appear in Rekordbox DJ. And here's how you can integrate Mix in Key 10 with Serato DJ. In Serato DJ, go to the analysis settings right over here, then select Set Beat Grid/BPM. Now analyze your library by clicking Analyze Entire Library. Once the analysis is complete, head over to Mix in Key 10. Once again, go to the Personalize tab, then click Update Tags. On this page, checkmark the Update Common tags, write key and energy level, override comments, and update custom initial key tag. Then back at the sidebar, select Export Cue Points, then make sure the software of your choice is selected. Now on the sidebar, click Rename Files and select Do Not Rename Files. Under the Key Notation tab, select Camelot. Next, in the Tempo tab, set your desired range of BPM. After completing this step, ensure that Mix in Key 10 has analyzed your library in its software. Now head back into Serato DJ, highlight all of the tracks, click Files, and press Rescan ID3 tags. And from there, all of the track information analyzed from Mix in Key 10 will appear in Serato DJ, and that includes the key, energy level, and auto-generated hot cues. And that is pretty much it for Serato DJ Pro. And with my guide on Mix in Key 10 over, let's proceed to learn the easiest way to mix in key via my recycled tutorial. So what is mixing in key or harmonic mixing? Well, this is a technique used by DJs to smoothly transition between songs that have complementary keys with each other. And what this enables is a harmonically pleasing mix of music. So now that you know the value of mixing in key, let's skip years of learning music theory and go straight to utilizing the tool that most DJs use to harmonically match their tracks together instantly on the fly. And that's the Camelot wheel. So the Camelot wheel is a translated system scaled 1 through 12, where the A symbols are listed as the minor keys and the B symbols are listed as the major keys. Anyway, this image may look pretty complicated, but it's really quite simple. And if there's anything I want you to take away from this video, it's this. If you want to mix in key, just imagine a T sign. So for example, if your current song is 2A, you can mix a track that has a key of 2A, 3A, 1A, and 2B. So with that done, let's move on to the conclusion of this video. So if you want accurate key detection and automatically set cue points, then Mix in Key 10 is the best software you can get to complement your style of DJing. And if you're gonna get Mix in Key 10, use coupon code DJCarter to get a huge discount on their website. And with that said, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you all in the next one.